Good morning children. Today I am going to explain you once again the concept of borrowing and carryover. Okay. So we will do the addition and subtraction with the carryover and borrowing again, but we will do the activity again. We will revise the activity and simultaneously I will tell you how to write the numbers and how to calculate them. I will take the slate. I hope you all aware about the slate. What is that? Because I am taking activity, that's why I am not using the board. Okay, because साथ के साथ में आपको मुझे बताते जाना है. Okay, fine. So we will start the activity now. Okay, so you can see here I have kept some matchsticks, one bundle of 10 matchsticks, that means 110. We have done this activity prior. Okay, so this is 110 and now we will count these matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 110 and 5 ones are there. Okay, now we will see here some more sticks are kept there. So we will count all, them also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many sticks are there? 9. So if we will write the numbers on the slate, and how we will write that I will show you afterwards, but before that we will do this activity. Okay, so what we will do is, in when we know that this is the tens place and this is ones place, so on tens place 110 is there and how many ones are there? 5. Okay, here and here 9 ones. So whenever we will start doing subtraction, addition, multiplication, we always start with the place of ones. Okay, so here 5 and 9, here 5 sticks means 5 ones is there, 5 ones are there, and here 9 sticks, that means 9 ones are there. So what we will do, we will add them. How we will add them? First of all we will take out the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 9. So we will keep this number in our mind. Okay, so after keeping this number in our mind, what we will do, the next step is we have to take out the fingers according to this number. How which number is there? 5. So we will take out 5 fingers. Okay, so after 5 after 9 we will count these 5 fingers. What comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If we will add them here, so these will be 14 sticks. Okay, 14 sticks means here 10, 110 is there and 4 ones is there. Okay, 4 ones are there. So 110 and 4 ones. Okay, so we will keep this 110 here, we will add with this. So here 110 already was there and now one more 10 is there. So how many 10s are there? 2 10s, that means 20, and here 4, so 24. Okay, now I will show you this thing on the slate. Okay children, you can see here that I have written T, that means tens, and O means ones here, and I have written the same numbers 110 and 5 ones, that means 15, and here I have written 9 and I have put the sign of plus, addition. Okay, so we have to add these numbers. So first of all we will start with the place of ones. What numbers are there? 5 and 9. 9 is bigger, so we will keep this number in our mind and we will take out 5 fingers. Okay, take out 5 fingers. I have taken my 5 fingers. So what comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If we will see in 14, there are 2 digits. Okay. So which number is on ones place? 4. So we will write here 4. Okay. And this is the number which is on tens place. So we will add this number with this. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 20. So the answer is 24. Okay. I hope you all understand this. Now we will learn how to subtract and by using borrowing. Okay. So here these 2 bundles means 2 tens are there, that means 20, and 3 ones means 23. Okay. Now we will count these sticks. How many sticks I have kept here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ones is here. Fine. 8 ones are here. So what we have to subtract? We have to subtract 8 from 23. But now, as we know, this is the first rule of subtraction, that is the always smaller number will subtract from the bigger number. If we will see them together, that would be the bigger number. But if we will start calculating from the ones place, the 3 is smaller than 8. Then what we will do? 3 will ask here 20 because ones is friend of tens. So 3 will ask tens that please lend me 1 10 from you. As tens have 2 tens, so the tens will give one 10 to 3. Okay. So 10 and 3. How many? What will be the number if we will add them? 13. Okay. So 13. Now 13 is bigger than 8. So we will subtract 8 from 30. How we will subtract? Now again, what we have to do? We have to do is we have to keep this bigger number in our mind. So 13 is the bigger number, and how many fingers we have to take out? 8. But this time we don't have to do forward counting, we have to do backward counting. Okay. From 13. What comes before 13? What comes before 13? 12. So we will start counting from 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So what will happen here? What will happen here? Here the 5 will be here and 1 will be here, because क्या होगा कि यहाँ पर जो 2 टेंस लिखा था उसमें से हमने एक 10 दे दिया है. सो यहाँ पे कितना बचा है? 1 बचा है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अगेन ऑन द स्लेट नाउ. ओके. Okay, so here we will learn how to subtract on the slate. Okay, so what numbers are written here? 23, and we have to subtract 8. Okay, this is the sign of subtraction, means minus. Okay, so what we have to do again, we can see here, if we will start doing calculation from the ones place, the in subtraction always the bigger number should be upside, means यहाँ पे आपको हमेशा bigger number होना चाहिए. If it is not there, we have to use borrowing concept. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make this number bigger than this, because 8 is bigger than 3. So what we will do, the 3 is friend of 2, because 2 has 2 tens. Okay, here 2 is written, that means 2 tens are there. So 3 will ask his friend that please lend me one ones from you. So 2 will give 1 10 and it will be 30. Okay, and 2 will be 1. Okay, I hope you understand. Now 13 minus 8. Now 13 is bigger than 8, so we can subtract them. We can subtract 8 from 13. So what we will do? We will keep this bigger number in our mind and we will take out 8 fingers. Okay, how many fingers? How many fingers? 8 fingers. Okay, so 8 fingers I have taken out. Now we will count backward. Backward counting we will do. So what comes before 12? Before 13, it's 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So the number will be 5. And here nothing is there, that means 0 is there. So 1 will be like that only. So the answer is 50. Okay, I hope you all understand these concepts. Okay, now I will give you some more revision work. So before that we have to complete this chapter also. Fine. Okay, thank you.